Hi, my name is Miguel Espethia with Global Sun Landscaping. If you want a healthy, happy garden, plant Waterwise California native plants. Plants native to California are always a great choice since they have adapted to be drought tolerant. To keep your landscape healthy and looking its best, here are my top 3 things you can do to maintain your Waterwise landscape. Number 1, be sure to apply a generous layer of mulch. A few inches of organic mulch will help reduce evaporation and slowly release nutrients back into the soil. Healthy soil means healthy plants. Number 2, use a smart irrigation controller and be sure to set it correctly. A smart or weather-based irrigation controller can help you save water because it's based on local weather data and uses rain sensors in your own yard to gather the most accurate results. Number 3, be sure to prune your plants at least once a year to remove dead, diseased, or damaged areas and allow for new growth and the plant to thrive. For more information on how to save water, just go to www.watersavings.org.